Now I am going to in exercise 1.1. There are many types of books for boarding school. So I have also one book in my hand. So let's start some problems related to this or ordered pairs. So first of all, find the values of x and y from the following equal ordered pairs. There are so many problems, but I am taking only e numbers x plus y comma y plus 3 is equal to 6 to y. Okay, so first of all copy the problems. Okay, copy the problems, and here since it is equal ordered pair, their corresponding components are equal, so it can be written now x plus y should be equal to 6, equation 1, and y plus 3 is equal to 2y. First of all use from equation 2, so y plus 3 is equal to 2y, or taking 3y is equal to side, change the side of y, that is if you change the side then it will be negative, so therefore y is equal to 3. Now putting this value in equation 1, putting this value in equation 1, we get x plus 3 is equal to 6, therefore x is equal to 3. So hence what is the value of x? That is x is equal to 3 and y is also 3. This is required answer. Next question, if a is equal to 1 2 and b is equal to 4 5, and find a Cartesian product b and b Cartesian product a, also find a n Cartesian product b and n Cartesian product b. Prove that a Cartesian b does not equal to b Cartesian a, but n Cartesian product b is equal to n Cartesian product a, and n Cartesian a product into n into b. So this type of solution I have done in theory, so please see first video of this. So again there are so many problems, it is very easy, so it can be done easily. So now I am going to next. Now again, so one find the missing values of x and y from the following equal ordered pairs. It is also very easy. Make this corresponding components should be equal, and we can easily find the algebraic equations. So for what values of x and y ordered pairs x plus 3y minus 3, it is also algebraic equation we can get. So again 3 is also very easy. 4 and 5 is same, so 5 is some different from others, so I am doing 5. First of all I am copying to question number 5. So if a is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 3, so b is equal to x such that x is belongs to z, and minus 1 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, and c is already given 1 and 2. Then verify the following. There is a 3 problems in this question number 5. I am doing one, at least one, so left you must be do it. So let I am doing C. Okay, C. So first of all we have to find what is this mean. So x, okay, x is natural number. X represents here, n represents natural number, and x is less than or equal to 3. So this will be 1, 2, 3. Again b, what will be the b? So x is integers, it represents integers, so -1, and this also integers also includes 0, so it is also 0 and what, and 1, so there is a 3. Now we have to find, first of all, now what is a minus b? So a is 1, 2, 3 and minus b, so -1, 0, 1. Now what will be the difference? So always replace common members. So here 1 is only common, so 2 and 3 is left in difference. Now a minus b, we have to prove that a minus b Cartesian product C is equal to a Cartesian product C minus b Cartesian product C. So now again a Cartesian product C. So what is a difference? 2 and 3 into Cartesian product C is 1 and 2. So now 2 and 1 make up ordered pair, 2 and 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 2, again 3 and 1 and 3 and 2. Now we have to find a Cartesian product C is equal to a what is a 1, 2, 3 Cartesian product C 1 and 3. So what will be the group of ordered pairs? That is 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, again 3 and 1 and 3 and 2. Again we have to find b Cartesian C. B Cartesian product C is equal to, so b, what is the b? -1, 0, 1. Again Cartesian product C 1 and 2, so -1 and 1, again -1 and 2, again 0 and 1, 0 and 2, so 1 and 1, 1 and 2. Now find a Cartesian C minus b Cartesian C is equal to, now here 1 and 1, 1 and 2 minus -1 and 1. Now what will be the difference? Always remove the common ordered pair, that is here is 1 1 and also here is 1 1 and 1 2 and 1 2. So this ordered pair should be removed in difference. So what will be remaining? 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3 and 3 and 2. So now compare from these two. So a minus b Cartesian product C is also 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 2, and this is also 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 2. So from the above we can conclude that what we conclude, a minus b Cartesian product C is equal to what A Cartesian product C minus B Cartesian product C is proved. In this way other Cartesian examples are also can be done. So